Hi, OurEstateOnline is a low-cost, easy-to-use internet service that enables property managers and owners to manage their estate better while saving time and money. When you join OurEstateOnline, your estate gets its own private site that can be used to communicate and share information in a secure way. Let's take a look inside OurEstateOnline. First, go to the login page. Log in with your unique user ID and password. After you log in, you're presented with a dashboard. This has icons or quick links to bring you to all the main features in OurEstateOnline. Along the top of the page, you can see some tabs which allow easy navigation throughout the application. Let's take a look in the Documents tab. If you manage an estate, the paperwork is the time-consuming and thankless task. Lost flyers and absent residents means it's unreliable too. Let me show you how OurEstateOnline eliminates this problem. Here, I can see existing documents and click on a link either to download them or add a comment as a user. If you're an administrator, you can simply add a document by clicking on the upload file and then adding some details about the document I'm about to add. Let's say this is accounts up to April. Let's put a category on it and description is self-explanatory. So then I just pick the file from my laptop and attach that and click on save, and there, simple as that, there's my document. The great thing about the Documents tab is that it eliminates postage costs or the need for door-to-door deliveries of letters and flyers, many of which get lost. Meanwhile, residents and owners have one secure place online where they can always view the latest up-to-date documents. It's better for everybody. Next, let's look at the Forum by clicking on the Estate Forum tab. One of the most common complaints in estates is that people do not feel they are informed or involved in the running of their estate. Using OurEstateOnline is a great way to involve owners in running the estate in a private and interactive manner that lets everyone express their opinion. So here, owners can communicate informally on a range of topics relevant to the estate. Let's take a look at the list of topics. So I can see a few topics here. Here's one that maybe is of interest to me. I click on the topic, it opens out, and I can see then comments by various owners or users in the estate. I can add a comment by going down to the end of the thread and saying, let's discuss at the next AGM. I believe this idea. Click add comment, and there it is, my comment with my handsome picture added to the forum topic. Another feature on OurEstateOnline is the ability to set up surveys and polls. By going back to the home page, I'll see the dashboard, and on that dashboard I'll see a link to surveys and polls. If I'm an administrator, I can set up a survey and poll. Here I can see some existing surveys. What day would bin collection suit the owners on the estate? Which week would you prefer to have the barbecue on? You can add any topic you want. Simply add poll, put in your question, give a choice, and save that. Now I've added the topic on OurEstateOnline, and each user can come in there and express a preference. Now that I've created a survey, I may want to let people know that the poll is there. So let's look at the messaging function. I click on the messaging tab and I've got a couple of options here. Let's go into the email center. I click on that and I can see some existing messages sent out to the users. To write a new message, I click on the Write New Message button and I select who I want to send the message to. Let's pretend this goes to all our members. I select the members I want to send to, put in the subject, and send the message. This is a great feature. It can be used for updates regarding security, maintenance, meeting changes, whatever is relevant to people on the estate. What's important is you have this communication mechanism within OurEstateOnline. Email is a great way to improve the service to your owners. Let's take a look at another feature of the messaging. The SMS Center allows me to send a text message directly to the mobile phones of the owners on the estate. This is ideal for urgent messages or security alerts that you want to get out there fast. By clicking on Create New Message, it'll open a box that allows me to enter a text message up to 160 characters long. Provided I have the mobile numbers of the owners on the estate, I'll be able to text them instantly from OurEstateOnline. This is a great feature and all part of OurEstateOnline. At this stage, I've talked about the Documents tab, the Forum, and the Messaging. Next, let's talk about something that probably causes most frustration for both managers and owner residents, and that's dealing with maintenance issues that require attention. Suppose a drain is blocked. Maybe one or more residents have to report it. The property manager gets somebody to look at it. Doesn't have time to call back. Nobody knows what's going on. Well, let's look at how OurEstateOnline can make this process easier for everybody. First, let's click on the Maintenance tab. Here, I can see a list of open issues for the estate. If I'm an owner, I can use this screen to report a new issue that needs attention. Let's click on the Report Issue button. Suppose I want to report a broken street light on the estate. I add a title, put the issue type, put priority, and state the location. Let's say it's at West Gate. And light bulb gone, needs replacement. Great. I click Save. And hey presto, my issue has been added to the screen on OurEstateOnline. Okay, so I've shown you how an owner can report an issue. If you're a manager, you obviously need to deal with these issues. So you first of all need to look at the details of the issue, then maybe add a comment. This will provide feedback to the owner that somebody is doing something with their issue. Next, I may want to actually update details on the status of the issue. By doing that, I click on the Edit button, and in here you can see that I can change the issue status. I can change it from open to closed when it has been dealt with. I can also assign the issue to a service provider. Now, each estate can set up their own list of service providers with email addresses. And when new issues are added, if an administrator assigns an issue to the service provider, they will automatically get an email with details of the issue. So, it cuts out phone calls, communication between owners, managers, and service providers. No need for multiple phone calls, full visibility of the progress, and better management of the estate. Let's summarize the benefits of Our Estate Online. For property managers, Our Estate Online will save you time by reducing the paperwork and manual tasks. Our Estate Online will save you money by reducing postage and phone costs. It will also improve the quality of service to owners in your estate. Our Estate Online simplifies your day-to-day work activities, and by doing so makes you more efficient and therefore more profitable. Next, let's look at benefits for owners and residents. Our Estate Online gives you access to all relevant information about your estate. Our Estate Online enables you to communicate better with other owners in a private forum. Our Estate Online allows you to track and raise issues relevant to your estate. And Our Estate Online will enable you to be alerted instantly of security and health and safety issues. So, in summary, Our Estate Online improves benefits for owners and managers, and that's good for everybody.